National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, northeastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Marquette County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Partyville, or 7 miles northeast of Portage, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portage, Partyville, Randolph, Markesan, Cambria, Fox Lake, Manchester, Endeavor, Friesland, Kingston, Marquette, Astico, and Dalton. This includes the following locations: Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, and Potawatomi Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central, southeastern, and east central Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central, southeastern, and east central Wisconsin. A severe thunder